Oh, we gotta do better than that, bro.
What do you mean?
That shit look weak. We gotta.
What do you mean?
Gotta do. Come on, man. Make it look like a butterfly. Yeah, there we go.
I'm gonna stop.
Hey.
Look at this dude.
We might not be going to New York tomorrow if I keep this up.
Okay. Hey. What do you?
Gotta speed this up in post. It's gonna look crazy.
What's in the box, dude?
What's in the box, dude? What's in the box?
What's in the box?
Give me the
What's
gun.
in the box?
Give me the gun. So tomorrow we have a gig out in New York and we want to make sure we can still bring you guys content on that whole trip. And it's about 6 hours of car time, just straight driving or annoying Josh. So we decided to check out a camera car mount. This is the Fantaseal Chimera heavy duty dual suction cup mount. We were gonna go with something a little cheaper, but we ended up seeing this bad boy for only about $40 and decided to pull the trigger. I don't know if we're gonna use it on the outside tomorrow. I kind of want to figure out like a leash if we put it on the outside, but this is definitely gonna go on the windshield at least tomorrow and get some cool shots of us being goofy and kind of explain what we're doing in our day. Side note,
the unboxing note? The unboxing knife?
The unboxing knife, yes. This thing cost me, it didn't cost me any money. It's actually been handed down to the generations of my family.
Oh, we gotta do better than that, bro.
What do you mean?
That shit look weak. We gotta.
What do you mean?
Gotta do. Come on, man. Make it look like a butterfly. Yeah, there we go.
I'm gonna stop.
Hey.
Look at this dude.
We might not be going to New York tomorrow if I keep this up.
Okay. Hey. What do you?
Gotta speed this up in post. It's gonna look crazy.
What's in the box, dude?
What's in the box, dude? What's in the box?
What's in the box?
Give me the
What's
gun.
in the fucking box?
Give me the gun. Woof. What
Whoa.
the hell? Whoa.
Well then, that was a little underwhelming.
Whoa, Fantaseal. I made sure that we have no time to do this unboxing video, but I made sure to do it because I knew I wouldn't be able to put the contents back in the box in a neat and orderly fashion. But apparently it doesn't matter. Look at this thing. Oh my! I'm glad this isn't like electronic because I'd be very mad. But like, I'm sure it's fine. Let's just we got a phone mount. That's cool. I could actually use this for the overhead shot we're getting right now.
Wow. Oh God. Do we want to show them?
What, the overhead shot?
Do we want
How
to
we're
show
getting
them?
it?
Yeah.
I don't think it's bad. I think.
You don't think it's bad?
No.
I think this is worse than jerry rig.
Oh, how it is? Yeah, it's pretty
Gee,
bad. I thought you meant using the iPhone.
No, man. It's not even that. Forget the iPhone. Cool. One shot, but bruh.
So we got a phone mount. It's pretty cool. It actually looks very adjustable for fat phones, and it's locked. It's like a lock adjustable too. So I like that. I didn't even expect to get that. Very minimal. I guess we're just gonna do the whole unboxing video right now.
Yeah.
Who needs a voiceover? A little GoPro mount, pretty cool. Don't have any GoPros in commission, but a friend of ours does. A nice little tripod head. This has more functions than just this car mount. This could actually be just a regular tripod head.
Mm-hmm.
It actually looks pretty solid too. This is the lock, so we gotta imagine we're gonna have it on the window, and then we're gonna try to have it like, yeah, it's gonna be interesting. We'll be sure to film that tomorrow too. But these suction cups, pretty good. The one, the ones with a lever and a screw, like these things really suck on. These things suck. I'm assuming.
Big pause, my brother. Big pause.
Like, I don't really know how this works. We're gonna find out tomorrow though, for sure. Oh, okay, so. But it won't stick to the wood anyway. The wood's porous. It needs to be something like Boom. That's freaking sturdy though. I could rip my whole desk apart with this right now. Whoa, 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 whoa. I was serious, bro. You really could. The desk isn't sturdy. You know, most parts of it are, but you know, that's a whole other video. I like that. This thing's sturdy.
Yeah, I really almost did. My bad.
Hopefully it sticks to our the dashboard in the car. I do have actually a flat portion of the dashboard, so it should. But yeah, this thing, other than how it came packaged, I think it's pretty good. I think it looks pretty dope. And that's what it's gonna look like, but it's gonna be upside down.
No more good. Let me see that box one time for the kids.
For the children?
For the children.
I don't think any children should be buying this.
And if they are, kudos.
Yes, what's up? We ran into a kid at an event the other day that was super young, and he was like vlogging.
Yo, for real, that was dope as hell. And you should cut to him.
That kid was dope, and I got footage of him, and it's right here.
Hey, you're doing a really good job.
That was dope, right? That kid's awesome.
You've
been unboxed. What's going on, guys? If you like the review of this car mount, make sure you subscribe so you get notified the next time we post part 2 of this, where we try out the car mount on the trip to New York. And you'd probably be pretty surprised what we end up doing with this car mount that we paid money for. So make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and you'll never miss another video, including the part 2 to this one. Peace.